Unique bicycles from Scottsdale, one of gifts you can only get in Arizona. Pedego Electric Bikes come in 10 models, multiple sizes, 2 styles, classic and step-thru, and dozens of color combinations to suit every personality. Some examples include the Comfort Cruiser for the relaxed canal rider, the Fat Tire Trail Tracker for the adventurous rider, the foldable Latch for the light traveler, and more. These bikes come complete with the Scottsdale Purchase Advantage, which includes free scheduled maintenance and 10% off accessories for 1 year after purchase. Pedego Scottsdale can also ship bikes anywhere in the country, free of sales tax, excluding Arizona and California. If you don't want to buy the bike, but you'd rather gift a unique experience to a friend or loved one, rental gift certificates are also available, either for a 2-hour ride or an all-day ride. Pedego Scottsdale offers self-guided tours of Papago Park, Tempe Town Lake, the canal, and various other locations.